Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to give you a quick and easy style that you can do on your hair, because I know you're sitting at home. You're sitting at home because of the coronavirus. You're sitting inside quarantining and all that good stuff, and your man probably looking at you like, baby, what's up with your hair? What you gonna do to your hair? And you're at home cooking for the kids, and you're cooking for the husband, and your hair looks like this. So yes, so I want to come and give you an easy style, especially if you can't get to your hairdresser and the beauty store is closed, so you just stuck with your hair looking like I don't know what. So yeah, I'm coming to give you a quick and easy style. So right now, you guys, I had two big braids in my head and I took them out. Good thing I had some braids in my head, because the style that the wig that I'm going to be presenting to you guys is a curly wig. So I'm glad that I had my hair braided, because it give it a little curliness to it. So you guys, this wig here that I am presenting to you is a wig that I purchased from Amazon. So yes, you can purchase this wig off of Amazon and they'll put it right on your front door. You don't even have to leave your house. So this is a half a wig, and it's a synthetic wig made by Equal. It says Fullcap. I don't know what that's about, but it's a half a wig, and it's a 1B half a wig. So I'm going to take this out this pack so you guys can see it. And as you can see, again, it's a Equal, and it is a 1B. It's pretty much a shake and go wig, you guys. You can put this wig on and just shake and go. Now you guys, you see this wig, curly wig, synthetic wig. And if you're natural, and this wig look just like my natural hair would look when it curls up. So that's why I was kind of excited to get this wig. So yeah, you guys, we're going to go ahead and put this wig on, and I'll come back and talk to you guys. Alright guys, so first thing first, because this wig is a half a wig, you kind of want to put out sections of your own hair to cover up this wig. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to just put out a little section of my front of my hair to cover up the actual wig. Okay guys, so now that I got my back up and pinned it up, now it's totally up to you if you want to put a stocking cap on the back. I'm not going to put a stocking cap on the back because at night I will be taking this wig off. But yeah, so let's put the wig on. So in the inside the wig, they do have like combs in the inside. So this is the front. The front of the wig have the really long comb, and the bottom has two 2 small combs. So, and this wig doesn't have a drawstring on it, but I'm pretty sure it fit pretty snug. And like I said, it does fit pretty snug. Now I'm going to take my hair loose so to blend it in. Look at that. Blends so good. Wow, look at that. My hair blends so good with this. So only difference is this is a 1B and like the tip of my hair is like a brownish color. I need to dye it, but yeah, my hair is looking a little dusty, so I do need to dye it. But for most part, my hair is blended pretty good with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little gel on the edge to kind of get my baby hairs popping. There we go. So bam, you can wear it to the side, or you can just put it this way. But you would never have a part in here, which you don't need a part, but you would never have an actual part, but it will always look how good this look, like my hair. Then the good thing about this, you can actually put the top up if you want. You can put the top up and let the back hang, and bam, you have a up down ponytail. So this wig is perfect for while you're in the house chilling, you know, you don't have nothing to do. You can just pop this wig on and bam, you brand new again. So yeah, I definitely like this wig, you guys, and I like the way it blends with my hair really good. And look how nappy my roots is. Like, it don't even matter how nappy my roots is, because this wig is curly, so it makes it looks good. So yeah, I definitely like this wig. I'm just trying to fix it up a little more, y'all. So yeah, y'all, so that's it. This a quick 10-minute style. Y'all let me know what y'all thought of this wig. I love it. I'm gonna leave all the information, the link and everything to purchase this wig. I'm not sure how much I paid for this wig. Let me see. So I paid about $21, I believe, for this wig. So $21 is not that bad. But you guys, I want to give you a few suggestions when it comes to this wig, because you have to know that this wig is synthetic. So I suggest that you do not sleep in this wig overnight, because it'll make the wig last longer. Just when you get up in the morning, wash your face, brush your teeth, pop on your wig, you're gonna be all good, you know. So don't sleep in it. And if you feel like you're going to be sweating, like working out, sweating a lot, I suggest you not wear it, because when you sweating, it's going to start kinking up, and then you have to try to cut out the kinks. Just try not to wear it like if you're getting wet, or if you're going to be sweating, or just try not to sleep in it, because it'll make it last longer. And yeah, you guys, so that's about it, you guys. So I'm going to leave the link in the description bar to the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys are being safe out there. I hope that you guys are out washing your hands and taking care of your health. And yeah, I think that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.